Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really fun insert card for you. This is my Chillin' Before Christmas insert card. How fun is that? You have that really cool sentiment around, and there in the center you have Santa Claus just chillin'. He's just hanging out on his little flamingo raft, taking a break before all of the hustle and bustle of the season. There's plenty of room here on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. Now I love to start events with insert cards because they're quick and easy and they can be made on any Cricut cutting machine. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, we're going to need our Cricut cutting machine, our light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, whatever color pen you choose to use for the card. I'm going to use black just because it's the best on camera to really show up so you can see the different detail on the card, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the different lines, so let's first find the envelope, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base, highlight this top layer, change that to score. Now for the card base, we also have some pen work, so go ahead and click on that second layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. You can change the color here if you wish. Once that's all done, go ahead and highlight the group and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Now that I have everything all cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score line on the card base. Go ahead and open up the card, and then I'm going to feed the insert into the slits on the card base. Just like that. Now I'll set the card to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue along the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our insert card is all set. What did you think of this project? Wasn't it so cute? You could totally change up the feel too, depending on the color that you use for your insert piece, as well as the pen that you use to draw all those little details, not only on Santa, but the flamingo as well. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.